What is Dropshipping Agent? How do they work? Is it good for my business? Is it trustable? And what's the difference between the AliExpress and the Dropshipping Agent? The most useful way is go through the dropshipping business process to explain all the pros and cons. You can get a deep understanding in the practice mode. Now let's dive into the content. In the previous video, we talked about the China domestic market, international market, and you got a clear picture of the entire China market. And so far, you recognize there is no perfect platform in the market. You may wonder, is there any better solution? And I have heard there's dropshipping agent in China. But there's no such a dropshipping agent platform. So it seems invisible and not available in the public. The most useful way is go through the dropshipping business process to explain all the pros and cons. Let's look at the dropshipping business. It can be divided into two stages simply. One is the test stage and the other is the production stage. The mission in the test stage is to find the right niche and prove your business idea works. And the mission in the production stage is to scale your business and keep it growing up and up. In the test stage, you have three types of work to do: product research, store build, and marketing. And in this stage, you don't have to make everything perfect. And everything should be built up as quick as possible. And you keep learning, make the change, do the adjustment, and keep everything in a minimum state, just only to prove it works. So let's go to the detail. In the product research step, everything in the public resource can help you a lot. The data from Amazon, AliExpress, eBay, and Google chain. By using some professional research tools, you can read and analyze the data more efficiently and quickly get the result you want. And now go to the store build. For example, you're building the Shopify store. AliExpress really can help you a lot. There are all kinds of products listed. You can do the price comparison and choose the suitable one. And you can use their pictures and description. Make some changes according to your requirement and put them on your store. And the automation tool, these can also help a lot during the process. After some work, bang, your store just can open so quickly that maybe you are surprised by yourself. Now go to the marketing part. Compared to the Chinese people, you are already much better at English, right? And as you know your customers' history, their culture, what's trending now, you also know how to play in the social media. Yes, what you have to do is just to put some efforts to improve your skills. And then you can rock and roll in the market you're already very familiar with. So now your business is running. You are now using public resources, organizing your thoughts. And after some days, you already play the game very well. At this stage, the AliExpress, which is highlighting, can help you a lot. Yes, now you already feel so many pros that AliExpress has. Now it looks like a real business and you just want to play it even better. And then there comes a limitation you must feel and want to break it. Now let's go to the production stage. Yes, you're gonna grow your business faster and make decent money. It must be very exciting. And now you are going to solve the issues, break the limit, and optimize your process. First thing is speed. If your package speed is quick, your consumers will feel very happy. That will reflect in your comments in a positive way. The speed includes two steps. First step is processing speed. Once the consumer places an order, the vendor should prepare the product and do the package and send it out. Because you are in the AliExpress platform dealing with different sellers, the processing time is not always controllable. Some sellers may be very slow due to various reasons such as the product shortage that you really have no idea what's going on. And they always use AliExpress standard shipping method. Because of this method belongs to AliExpress, the platform can earn a lot of money. So it opens a backdoor for the platform sellers. If there's negative comments or something else caused by the package delay, the negative comments can be erased. If and only if you are using AliExpress standard shipping method. Oh, that sounds ridiculous, right? Yes, it is. It can be erased in the AliExpress platform, but it cannot be erased from your consumer feelings as well as your store-related comments. This will be solved easily if you are using a dropshipping agent. They use many fast shipping methods such as Yun Express, 4PX, CNE, Yanwen, and others, and keep monitoring the speed to make sure your package is always in the fast shipping line. Another thing is the mixed product issue. If your consumers buy different products which you dropshipping from different AliExpress store, the consumer will receive different packages at different times. Not only it will cause unhappy and confusing feelings for them, it also makes you pay more money on the shipping fee. For this, by using a dropshipping agent, put all your product from one order into one package and send it out as soon as possible. Everybody will be happy. Second is the price. The basic business rule is buy low, sell high, right? So get a lower price for the product not only can bring you more profit, but also can turn your business in a more competitive status. So the dropship agent can always get you a lower price for the product than AliExpress, simply because they can do business with you directly, not on the AliExpress platform. And I will explain it in detail on the next page. Another thing is when your sales volume goes up, you deserve a lower price for the big amount of product order, and it always cannot happen on AliExpress. And another negative result is that the product sales volume on AliExpress platform also goes up. The data will be displayed and also will be collected by all the research tools. That means it will bring more competition. You really don't want it to happen. Why work with an agent? It is absolutely not an issue anymore. The third one is the quality. If you want to improve your product quality or make some change on the product according to your consumer's request, the common way is just search and go to another AliExpress supplier and bring more uncertain situation I described above and refer to the packages. If you just want to simply put a thank you card or make some beautiful packages and even put your logo on it, it is impossible on the AliExpress platform. They don't want to do it for you because of the extra work. All about this, your agent will do it with you together, and if you have more ideas, they're just glad to help you to improve all the qualities that makes the consumers feel happy. The fourth one is the communication. If you are dealing with many AliExpress suppliers, it will cost you a lot of time. The standard communication method is on the AliExpress platform. The response time is very slow, and in most cases, the English level is always a big issue. You may feel exhausted, especially when confronted with something urgent and important. Working with an agent, you just have to communicate with one person, and he uses all kinds of communication apps according to your need, such as email, WhatsApp, Skype, Facebook messengers, etc. And the response is very quick. Their English level is also much better than the AliExpress. It can save you a lot of time and energy to do more things on the creativity, marketing, and customer service. Now you know the production stage. You are using the public resource and work with a dropship agent as a private resource to hit the market. And your business will be in a more steady, healthy, and strong status. For yourself, you are feeling more happy and confident to see the bright future of your life. Now it's time to solve your curiosity. Why is the dropshipping agent so fantastic while the AliExpress sellers not? Look at the business model. The dropship agent model has two layers. First layer is agent, and the second layer is 1688 and factory. Compared to the AliExpress sellers model, the AliExpress layer is gone. That means the 8% commission fee for each order charged by AliExpress is gone. That's why the price for the product can always be lower than AliExpress. As a result, what you always hear, lower price and fast shipping, is not a joke. It is real and reasonable, right? The second thing is that in AliExpress, every seller is limited in one category or even one subcategory. So if you want to buy different product, you have to go to different sellers, while the dropshipping agent has no category limits. They can access all kinds of product and provide consistent high-quality service. The third thing is the most important one. The agent and you are on the same page, while AliExpress sellers are not. The AliExpress seller have their own store on the platform, so what they care about is all focus on their store data, for the sales volume, for all the positive comments, and put all their energy on ranking high in the AliExpress platform. That's why you always feel like you are not on the same page, and it is difficult to communicate with them to solve your particular problem. While the agents just have no store, what they care about is your store. They really care about your product quality, your shipping speed, the nice package consumers receive, and do communicate with you about all the stuff they can do to grow your online store. So it is much better for you to build a long-term relationship with the dropshipping agent to grow your business on the same page. Now let's figure out how the dropshipping agent works with your growth. The ideal model for the international business is just hire an employee in China that have access to all the China domestic market to do the purchase. But there come some problems. The first, you have to pay the monthly salary, which is not affordable when you just start your business and have only several orders per day. Second, it is very difficult for you to find and verify an employee is good or not to do this kind of job. Third, what you can do if the employee just quit their job. These are serious issues. So there comes the dropshipping agent company. They just choose a good quality employee whose English must be very good as an agent for you. It's a little bit like the cloud computing. You can communicate with a shared agent at the start, because your business can only occupy the agent small amount of time. When you grow bigger, then you can occupy the agent all the working time. It is just turned the ideal model into reality, right? And when you grow even bigger, the agent assigned to you is too busy to handle all the works, so he can have his own assistants. That means you have built a team to help you working on the supply chain. And what you have to do is just communicate with one agent. The agent is responsible for all your product related things. This flexible, well-designed pattern really makes your job very easy, and you will feel everything is under control. You all know that the product from China can be much cheaper. The reason is that the labor force in China is cheaper. So, if you are using an agent or an agent team in China, you can take all the advantages of the China's cheap labor force. That is what the large international companies are doing by setting a company in China. Now the dropshipping agent company can make it happen. So even when you are running a small business, you can benefit from that model and grow your business faster. From now on, you will find dropshipping agent more visible and clear. It may open a brand new world for you. And if you have any questions, you can leave a comment down below. I can answer you in the comments or in my next video to help you make the right decision and grow your business. Thanks for watching. See ya!